Okay, so as we talk about these rights, there are three rights in the legal process that we try and protect. And these rights are really important. The first is the right to the presumption of innocence. So that means that everything should happen in a trial should presume that you are innocent. And there's something really controversial about this. It means that people should never see your criminal history. We're going to go through this quickly. Don't feel you need to write them down, but we'll come back and take the notes a little bit. The second is the right to legal representation, having someone help you go through the law so you're not just stuck in there not sure what happens. And the third is the right to silence. And really importantly, this comes from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It's a really important piece of the document. So presumption of innocence. You all have the right. Anyone who's accused of a crime has the right to be presumed to be innocent. And the government has to provide a fair trial. And they do things like trying not to get too much information in the media, making sure that if jurors have a bias, they're not on the case, right? If they're thinking one way or another. It can be hard, but you've got the right to innocence. Probably the most important one, or the one that we see a lot, is you don't hear people's criminal record. Okay? So the jury can't find out a person's criminal past because that might bias them, might say take away that right to presumption of innocence. The right to legal representation. If you go to court, this is about the right to having someone represent you. So you're getting some help with the legal issues. In Queensland, Legal Aid Queensland is a service that means if people don't have a lot of money, they'll actually pay some money. They'll provide some representation for you. The right to silence. We've looked at that with an arrest. This also happens in court. This happened in the case we watched on TV. The person who was accused did not give evidence. And the court and the judge, when she was summing up, she made it really clear that the jury couldn't think poorly about this person because he hadn't given evidence. That's a right. And what it means is the prosecution, the people bringing the case, the government bringing the case, they have to be able to make that case without relying on the person who is accused. So they're the three key rights that we talk about.